In this session, let us learn about HTML links. HTML links, hyperlinks. Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from page to page. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrows will turn into a little hand. A link does not have to be text. A link can be an image or any other HTML elements. HTML links syntax. The HTML A tag defines a hyperlink. It has the following syntax. A href is equal to URL link text. The most important attributes of the A element is the href attributes, which indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to specified URL address. This example shows how to create a link to Ponnuri Gopie Krishna.in. See, now we are using some link here. The code and result 1, result 2. See, we are using https Ponnuri Gopie Krishna.in index.html. We are using some link. If you click this link, see, my website was opened. This is my website. HTML links the target attributes. By default, the linked page will be displayed in the current browser window. To change this, you must specify another target for the link. The target attribute specifies where to open the link document. The target attribute can have one of the following values. Underscore self default opens the document in the same window or tab as it was clicked. Underscore blank opens the document in a new window or tab. Underscore parent opens the document in the parent frame. Underscore top opens the document in the full body of the window. See, use the target underscore blank to open the linked document in a new browser, windows or tab. See, we are using underscore blank, and if target blank, the link will be open in the new browser window or tab. See result 1 and result 2. It was open in another browser like this. It will open in another browser. See here. Here we have done the work. It was open in another browser. Absolute URLs as relative URLs. Both examples above are using an absolute URL or a full web address in the array of attributes. A local link, a link to a page within the same website, is specified with a relative URL without the https www part. See here, now we are using www.ponnurigopie.in or www.google.com. See here, Ponnuri and Google. Relative URLs means Kundalini Yoga Bhagavad Gita, which related to that particular website. HTML links use an image as a link. To use an image as a link, just put the img tag inside the A tag. See, we are using the IME by using A, alt Bhagavad Gita style, and in A tag we are using that height and everything. See, image as a link. The image below is a link. Try to click on it. If you click on this image, automatically the website will be redirected to that, which we required. Link to an email address. Use mail to inside the href attributes to create a link that opens the user's email program to let them send a new email. You can also link to email address to create link that opens the user's email program to let them send a new email. User email to inside the href attributes like this. If we click send mail here, if we write and execute this code by using this href method, and result will be like this. If you click this send mail, automatically our mail will be opened. Button as a link. To use an HTML button as a link, you have to add some JavaScript code. JavaScript allows you to specify what happens to certain events, such as the click of a button. See, button as a link, click the button to give an Bhagavad Gita. See, now if you click the button to go to Bhagavad Gita, automatically the Bhagavad Gita file will be opened. Link titles. The title attribute specifies extra information about an element. The information is most often shown as a tooltip text when the mouse moves over the element. See the example code and result. See, if the attribute specifies extra information, if we click on this, it will show some result like this. More on absolute URLs and relative URLs. Use a full URL to link to a web page. See, localhost HTML Geta HTML. Now we are using full URL. See external path. This example use full URL to link to a web page Bhagavad Gita. Link to page located in the HTML folder on the current website. See, you can also link to our folder which present in the current website. See, if you click this, the Bhagavad Gita file will be opened. Link to a page located in the same folder as the current page. You can also link the file which it was in the same folder. This example links to a page located in the same folder as the current page. Chapter summary. Use the A tag element to define a link. Use the href attributes to define the link address. Use the target attribute to define where to open the link document. Use the img element inside A to use an image as a link. Use the mail to schema inside the href attributes to create a link that opens that user's email program. See, A defines a hyperlink. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 17, HTML links. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML links different colors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.